Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're looking at the Lamicall Cord Organizer, a 6-pack of spring-loaded cable clips designed to tame your wire chaos. These aren't your average cable ties, they're compact, stylish, and incredibly easy to use. The spring-loaded design allows for one-handed operation. Simply open, insert your cord, from a tiny 2.5 mm to a generous 8 mm diameter, and close. They stick securely thanks to a strong, no-residue acrylic adhesive, perfect for desks, nightstands, walls, or even your car. Made from durable, high-quality ABS plastic, they're built to last. But here's the best part, these clips are made with at least 50% recycled material and use safer chemicals, certified by the Global Recycled Standard. So you're getting a great product that's also environmentally friendly. Keep your cords neat, your workspace tidy, and your conscience clear. Click the link in the description to get yours today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more product reviews.